Hello everyone and welcome to hopefully the unboxing of the V12, a very highly anticipated wheel. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the V12 as soon as it arrives. Also, I asked a few of my friends who are also getting a V12 today to unbox theirs with me, so it's going to be an unboxing palooza. Then we're going to hopefully have some first impressions. So if you come along in the video, you're probably going to see a V12. All right, let's get into it. Let's have some fun. Let's go.
Hello, Cameron's channel. Cameron's at work. We're gonna unbox it without him.
Here we go. If I can move it out. Alright. That is so much better.
Oh, kickstand! You! One V12 unboxed.
It's here, the first Nissan. It's here, the first Nissan. It's here, the first Nissan. 300ZX. It's here, the first Nissan. 300ZX. It's here, the first Nissan. 300ZX. It's here, the first Nissan. 300ZX.
All right, so here it is. Just wanted to go over some features. Yeah, so let's talk about some of the features on this wheel. Starting off with the build. This has really good build quality. We've got the stereophonic speakers at the back and front, automatic headlight, touchscreen. We have these adjustable pedals with a little nook in here. So it makes it like really easy to pick up and put on its side, which I really like. But yeah, adjustable pedals, 16-inch tire, 2.5 kilowatt motor, and it's a 100-volt machine. I like to think of it as is a 100-volt wheel that happens to be 16-inch. Best of all, the party trick, the kickstand here, makes it a really, really nice daily driver. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. But we got to talk, of course, about how it rides. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go. Here we go. Now, I've got my pedals in like the softest, jelliest mode possible right now because I'm just chilling. So, the V12, let's talk about the V12. This is a wheel that was designed by Inmotion to be the ultimate city commuter. And also, you could also say that this was the first wheel they wanted to capture the hearts and imaginations of more the enthusiasts. There's a lot of hype around this wheel. There's a lot of people saying things about this wheel, what they want it to be, what they hope it is and isn't. And the first thing I think anybody says when they get on the V12 is just how smooth it is. It's a very smooth ride. And it's tuned really well. I'm running at about 40 PSI, and I just feel like when I carve and when you really start to like get into it, the wheel just feels balanced. Yeah, a bit top heavy, but well balanced nonetheless. It's nothing to worry about. Yeah, man, it's such a fun ride. I miss that sort of excitability that the 16-inch gives you. And it actually feels really quite fast once you start kind of cooking it on this, because 16-inch makes everything feel just a little faster. It's kind of, it's nice. It's fun. It's a fun wheel, that's for sure. Very smooth. It has an extremely tall riding position. And of course it has adjustable pedals. So you can adjust the height of the pedals, which is pretty cool. I have them all the way up as it comes out of the box. Yeah, I love the pedal clearance. You're never gonna scrape the pedals on this in the highest setting. It's ridiculous. Yeah, you can just really carve to your, and the other thing is really tight maneuvering down low. The pedals just stay completely flat through the turns. Going backwards on this thing is really nice too. If you're a person who wants to be able to like switch from going forwards to backwards, this is a really good wheel for that. So when you think about it, you know, this thing really is designed for the perfect urban commute. I mean, that's really the reason why I got it. You've got this IPX6 battery. They changed it. IPX5 body and an intelligent battery management system so it doesn't blow up your apartment. And it's got USB-C fast charging. So as you're commuting and charging all of your electric devices, you can charge your phone from your commuter wheel. Whoa! Woo!
That was great.
What's up, man? Dude, I heard about that. Like, oh, I know.
When it comes to power, when it comes to power, the whole oh yeah, he's okay. Anyway, talking about power, this thing has, you know, decent torque. Yeah, in fact, I would say it's got like pretty good torque. But really, where it excels is it's just got a lot of power. 2,500 watts in a 16-inch is a nice combination. 100 volts. It is nice. Believe me, there's a lot of power here. There's a lot of power. You know, it's definitely the 16X killer that I was looking for, and I think I'm gonna really enjoy it. So let's catch up to the group. Oh, there's Cameron. Hey, what's happening?
You got your wheel?
Anyway, yeah. Hopefully this gives you a rough idea of what this wheel is kind of like. I'm going to put obviously a couple thousand miles on it, and as we learn more together, we will discover, and hopefully you'll want to buy one or not. Who knows? But if you do, use my link down below. I hope you're doing well. If you are doing well, make sure that the like button is doing well as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. Later.
Awesome.